Boy, it's on hot, man. You can't see. My name is MelicaSkylife, and welcome to my vlog channel. Welcome to my vlog channel. So, I want to tell you a little bit about me and why you should subscribe. No. Well, my name is MelicaSkylife, as we say. I love to vlog, and I got inspired by Chabas. I always listen to Chabas. I always watch Chabas video them from way back. And Chabas, you need to start upload more regular. Want you? Don't play with me. Anyways, yeah, I always a vlog, but I never put them up. I always do things, but I never put them up. I don't know why. My sister them ever cuss me, and I say, Melika, personality hype and somebody decided to say officially I'm gonna start my YouTube channel for vlogging my day-to-day stuff, and you guys can keep up to date with me. Subscribe. No, somebody I walk on the road now. This is my typical morning. I walk on the road, wait for my taxi, go to work, come back home, on my computer, start to cycle again. But it's not boring, so I don't go get enough hypeness. Because of them hype, my family them like them hype to you, go ever they get some joke car, something what I think when I see what just tear me right up and thing. So, put up on the road I walk now. The time hot. Me a sweat. Let me take out my towel because me can't use regular towel I have for you. I need one selfie stick. Yes. So this is me walking on the road, waiting on my taxi. I'm from Mobile, the second city, and I don't know if I know no other vlogger from Mobile. I think I know one vlogger from Mobile, one girl and one boy, ZIGGY, and I don't remember her name. Auntie. But yes, we are going to vlog. I'm going to keep up to date with me. The thing I got hype. The thing I got shot. And this me can't take. I hate walking on the road because my boyfriend used to like bring me to put me in a taxi, but he's not here now, so I have to walk. I can't drive. And kinda morning. I can't bother because right now I sweat and little thing I put on my face wash off by the time I reach a work and see. And it's a pretty long walk. I walk all the way because $200 I pay fee. Taxi come for me every morning. I'm going to go out the road because I don't want to waste time to come around and money for me. So, because he's on his way now. But I didn't want to wait at the house. Like, I think that's selfish. There are some people through there, know, so they pay people them. They feel like they have to stay in their house and wait until the taxi comes out the door. I don't like they sitting there because I don't say the man must have other passenger in the car. So I just use my conscience. I can't use my conscience, so I just walk out. Yes, so I'm on my way to work. I do accounting. I'm an income auditor and a purchasing officer. I also work online part-time. Hopefully I go online full-time, guys. When I need to start positioning myself for work from the yard. When I can't wake up every day and I go work for people. I work a pretty good salary, yes, but I want back my time. I want to lay down in my bed. I want to do what I want to do when I want to do it. I want to do everything I want to do when I want to do it. I stop when I want to stop do it. Now, having a 9 to 5, it just grieves me sometimes. I have to get up out of my bed and sit. Can't tell them about it. But I wait for the taxi now. I'm see you later. And thing. A chaba style, you know. Auntie. Hey vlog world. I'm in the rain. Actually leaving work now. And thing. Don't watch me ear. My ear won't come like from last week. And me no when I reach out here just say I can't go out here just like put in out here because the time too hot and me love sweat. And you know so we know we're not more than Remy. Human here. And thing. So me I go on wrap my natural hair. Right now one thing. I don't know how much o'clock I'm gonna get drive. Because I got my father's house today. Melika. Yo guys, remember to subscribe so that you can keep up to date with me. Ray-Bans. So yeah, did see vlog. No, me can't see that a Chabas style. Chabas, big up yourself. Guys, I have a business channel also. You can subscribe if you're interested in making money online. I do that as well. So I'm gonna sign out at the gate. So I'll see you guys when I'm home. Somebody up on the road. Tom Cruise. I really feel like I'm Tom Cruise. When I reach home, I go vlog on me in a place and settled and things. But yeah. Alright. Backside. My camera almost fell. Like see we just a leg. Anyways, talk to you later. So I'm home now. Just wrap my ear and thing. I'm gonna watch NCB Capital Quest with me dinner. And I'm gonna watch NCB Capital Quest right about now. And that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some DJ drops. So I do DJ drops. So if you want a DJ drop for your sound system, you can link me hype like so. Yeah, I have information where you can send me samples them also. Them well hype and well neat. Anyways, yeah, I watch NCB Capital because I like business stuff, entrepreneur stuff. Yeah, me that and thing. So on my way home, like it was so hectic. Mr. Mayor we look taxi from like 6 o'clock. I'm reach home 8 something. Like to 8. Like me I wait so long, rain a fall and mobile. You know, some mobile nasty when rain fall. So it take me a little time to get taxi and thing. But I got drive. Now when I reach me a gate, I said when I step out of the gate, I give the man toaster. A good thing to the man honest. So I step out. And I say, why this man me I say to myself, oh this man I'm polite. He might wait until I go through the gate before he drive off. Lo and behold, the man steer me down and say, the girl I'm ready. Me walk with my toaster. Begin toaster and I get back. So on change. Cause it was $150 to come down here. Hope well me day. And thing. I say, man say I want the money. I say yeah. I go back to him feet and him say, so when some driver then drive up, I say, I look for you a morning me I look for you. I say, yeah, would you see me? I say, anyways, whatever. So I come in NCB Capital Quest upon break now, so I go watch that. I don't need to tune into NCB Capital Quest and I can learn a lot from that. But I'm telling you, very informative and stuff. So missing my sister, Punky, big up yourself and stuff. I'm a big head. I'm gonna start this whole makeup and thing, going in makeup category. And next week I'm gonna start back dancercise because I do dancercise also. You want to see me wind up myself. I like dancercise exercise. It's more fun and interactive and I think like you work more for your body. So I do that for some time more and lose 30 pounds. So when man does see me, I know I'm good. So yeah, NCB Capital Quest start back. So I'm on me talk to you later.